Best selfie sticks comparison. Selfie sticks designed for action cameras like GoPro are essential tools for adventurers, vloggers, and photographers who want to capture dynamic footage from unique angles. These products allow users to extend their reach, stabilize their shots, and enhance their creative possibilities. List number: the Traapua 19-inch short extension selfie stick is a compact, lightweight, and waterproof monopod designed for portability and ease of use. It features a rubberized grip for comfort and a twist lock mechanism for quick adjustments between its 7-inch folded length and 19-inch maximum extension. Compatible with a wide range of GoPro models and other action cameras, this stick is ideal for users seeking a simple, travel-friendly accessory for casual shooting. In performance tests, the Traapua proved reliable for short-range shots and quick setups. While its compact design makes it highly portable, the limited extension length may not suit users looking for greater reach. The rubber grip enhances handling, even in wet conditions, making it suitable for water sports. However, the absence of a remote or integrated button limits its functionality for advanced shooting scenarios. List number: the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 combines versatility with durability, offering a 57-inch maximum extension and tripod functionality. Its magnetic quick-release system allows fast attachment of action cameras, while its aluminum and ABS construction ensures lightweight durability. This model is particularly suited for users who need a stable tripod for stationary shots or a long selfie stick for capturing wide-angle perspectives. During testing, the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 impressed with its smooth height adjustments and firm tripod stability, even on uneven surfaces. The magnetic mount adds convenience, though users must ensure proper alignment for secure attachment. While its extended length is ideal for group photos and expansive scenery, its slightly heavier weight, 11.7 ounces, may be less appealing for long hikes. List number 3. The Sunson 3-in-1 selfie stick offers impressive versatility, functioning as a monopod, hand grip, and tripod. Its telescopic design extends from 8.5 inches to 28 inches, making it suitable for both close-up and mid-range shots. The aluminum construction ensures durability, while the foldable tripod legs provide stable support for stationary shooting. In practical use, the Sunson performed well across various scenarios, from underwater filming to vlogging. Its tripod mode was stable on flat surfaces, while the magnetic fold-out legs allowed quick transitions between modes. However, the extension length may be limiting for users seeking a wider range, and its weight, 7.8 ounces, is slightly heavier than comparable models. List number: the Alsuk selfie stick is an ultra-budget option designed for simplicity and portability. With a 7-inch folded length and a maximum extension of 19 inches, it is compact enough to fit in a backpack or pocket. The aluminum body and non-slip rubber grip provide decent durability and handling for its price point. While the Alsuk excels as a low-cost solution for casual users, its limited features and shorter extension length may not satisfy advanced users or those seeking more versatility. The twist lock mechanism is functional but lacks the refinement of higher-end models. Despite its limitations, this stick is a solid choice for beginners or budget-conscious buyers. List number 5. The GoPro extension pole is the premium option in this lineup, offering a robust 48-inch maximum extension and a waterproof Bluetooth shutter remote. Designed specifically for GoPro cameras, this official accessory ensures seamless compatibility and high-quality construction. The included ball joint adapter provides 360 degrees rotation for dynamic shots. In testing, the GoPro extension pole delivered exceptional performance, with smooth extension and a rigid aluminum build. The Bluetooth remote was highly responsive, enabling effortless photo and video capture. While its premium price may deter budget-conscious buyers, the advanced features and reliable build make it an excellent choice for serious GoPro users.